Welcome to Fun by Design. In this video we introduce you to the amazing LED flying ball toy, a safe LED drone for children aged 8 years and up. Are you looking for fun gift ideas that a child would love and have hours of fun playing? Well, this wonderful flying light-up ball will certainly bring a smile to a child's face. This flying ball is equipped with bright and colorful disco lights. When it is on, the flying ball will shine beautiful LED lights, which is very attractive and makes the interaction much more fun, especially at night. The perfect toy for boys and girls. The ball will automatically sense objects and fly away after 3 to 5 seconds after you switch it on, to ensure safety. When the flying ball falls down to the ground or collides with other objects, it will stop whirling. The ball is easily charged with a simple USB connection and only takes 20 minutes to recharge to full power. The toy is easily controlled by hands. When switched on, the fly ball will light up in 3 to 5 seconds and fly upwards intelligently. It can then be maneuvered by your hand movements, making it climb or change direction. It also has a remote controller that allows your child to wirelessly control the ball with ease, should they prefer to control it from one position. The wings are flexible and durable. It is not easy to break or become deformed. Because it is flexible and very sturdy, it will resist any damage when it falls. A great gift for a kid's birthday, Christmas present, or simply to watch your child have some interactive fun. If you want to find out more about this great flying ball toy, we have placed a link in the description of this video. To see more fun product videos, subscribe to the Fun by Design channel. Also press the bell icon to be notified when we upload our next fun product. Thank you for watching. See you next time.